Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Citi Business Credit Card online step by step clearly. To activate your Citi Business Credit Card online, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.citi.com and press enter. Once the Citi homepage loads, look for the Sign On button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Sign On button to proceed. If you already have a Citi account, enter your user ID and password in the respective fields. If you do not have an account, locate the register link below the login fields and click on it. On the registration page, you'll need to provide your credit card number, the security code found on the card, and your social security number. Follow the prompts to create your online account. Once your account is set up, return to the Citi homepage and click Sign On again. Enter your user ID and password to access your account. After logging in, navigate to the Account Services section. In this section, find the option for Activate a Card and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your credit card information once more for verification. Fill in the required fields, including the card number and any additional requested details. Review the information you've entered to ensure it is accurate. Once confirmed, click on that Activate button to complete the process. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your card has been successfully activated. Your Citi Business Credit Card is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and after signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.